Alright, you guys, I don't know if these police are gonna try anything, but they came driving by real slow asking me if somebody yelled wielding a knife. So yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do. It's like probably 6 fucking cars. Well, I'm gonna pass them by. It's like probably 6 fucking cars over there asking me if I was wielding a knife. Or not asking me, but asking me if somebody yelled wielding a knife. And you know these police are dirty. These are dirty police. These aren't no fucking legitimate police. These are dirty police. Dirty cops, ladies and gentlemen. Know that. We'll see how many of them it is. Sorry about the focus. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. He had his light on me. 5, 6. 6 police passed me by asking me if I was wielding a knife, or asking me if somebody was wielding a knife in my recycle area, or in the area I was recycling in.